Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing, building, and reviewing of this really awesome Mattel Brick Shop Hot Wheel Custom 90 Honda Civic. So this thing, I think it looks super cool. I absolutely love the color on it. And look at how awesome this thing is. It does even have like raised wheels, like licensed rays, which are finished in bronze, and they're actually metal. So this thing is super cool. And then right there in the little corner, you can see you can even make a race car version of it, which is also featured there on the back. So you can make the standard street car that matches the Hot Wheel that it comes with. And this exact Hot Wheel is exclusive to this set. So all these sets come with a really cool Hot Wheel that you can only get like in these sets. And I think it's really cool. So in this video, we're going to be building it. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the little features, maybe some of the interior features, and then kind of like the final build on it. But also, I'm not just building one, I'm also giving one away. So I have a secondary one here that I'm giving away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop onto my merch store, shopmtparadise.com. I have all kinds of different Hot Wheels and stuff on there, and a bunch of other car like related accessories. So if you guys do want a chance of winning this, hop onto shopmtparadise.com. I have a rules tab with the rules and the giveaway. It's going on like all of March and April, so you definitely do not want to miss out on that. For every $5 you spend, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. So definitely go check that out, shopmtparadise.com. There's also a link in the description down below. And like I said, giving this away, no charge to the winner. So you do not want to miss out on this. I think this thing is awesome. Also, if you guys do want to pick one up and you don't want to wait around for the giveaway to hopefully get one, Amazon does have it as well. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can hop on and just pick one up on Amazon if you want. Or you can have a chance of getting one for free. But let me go ahead and get started with this build. I am super excited to get started with this. Also, I will have links in the description down below for some of the other ones, such as the Audi R8 LMS and a few others that Amazon still has available. But I'm going to go ahead and bust this thing open, and I'll catch back up with you guys here in a little bit. But before we get started with the actual build itself, I did want to show you guys the Hot Wheel a little bit closer. So here it is. This thing looks so cool in my opinion, especially that color. I really like the red interior as well. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of red, but I think this does look really good. Man, that is so cool. And honestly, these are the standard Hot Wheel style rims in white, which is actually what the Hot Wheel has on it. I'm probably not going to be putting on the rays, and I was mistaken. These are plastic, whereas some of the other sets that are a little bit bigger actually do have metal wheels. But these are still licensed and actually has a little Rays logo on there as well. I think the bronze looks really cool, especially if you're doing the race car build, but my intent is to make it match the Hot Wheel as close as possible. So I'm probably just going to be doing the standard build on this. But here is like the sticker sheet and stuff, so you guys can't see. You can kind of customize that at the end, add whatever race numbers and stuff you want on there, and all the different sponsors. Like actually put a lot of different stickers on here, so you can do it like a bunch of different ways. But yeah, I'll catch back up with you guys in just a minute. Alright, so I have the build kind of going right now, and I think this thing's looking so cool. There's not really too much detail like in the inside, and I will say it is a right-hand drive, so that's pretty cool. But also, right in the middle, there's like a little kind of radio, there's like a little piece. So I think for like all the detail, that's pretty much all you're going to get. Everything else is like on the outside. I mean, you actually have printed headlights, the Honda logo. Even in the back, it has the license plate, and then it has the Civic across the middle of the taillights. I think this thing is looking really good so far, and I'll probably just catch back up with you guys when the build is done, because there's honestly not too much left to go. So yeah, catch back up with you guys in just a second. Alright, and just like that, we are done with the build, and I think this thing looks so good. Even has like a little glass sunroof there, or like the more clear, transparent piece. Man, let me know what you guys think about that. Even has like obviously like the Honda Civic across the taillight, and then even on the back window right below the, just right above the Honda text, you can see the Honda logo, and it even has like right here in the corner a little Honda, it spells it out. Man, this thing is so cool. I absolutely love it. And even kind of has like a little bench back seat as well, and the doors do open up, which you can see that right there. You got the red seats, and it does have like a little gauge cluster too behind the steering wheel. Man, I think this thing is so cool. and being able to compare it side by side with the actual Hot Wheel, especially like the color on these, is just amazing. But let me know what you guys think about that. And even like the little duckbill spoiler in the back looks really cool as well. Like they did such a great job with this. So much attention to detail in such a small car. Like I'm kind of surprised that they're able to like pack it all in there. Man, this is such a great color combo, especially with the yellow Honda S2000. Being able to have both of these, it kind of looks like some Skittles sitting right here. So like honestly, Mattel Brick Shop is doing a great job with these. Even like the little shapes of the grills are spot on, especially like the Honda we just built. Man, I love what Mattel's doing with these, especially this Honda Civic and this color. I don't know, for some reason I just can't get over that color. But yeah, like I said, if you guys do want to pick up one of these, there will be a link in the description down below. You guys can hop on Amazon, or I'll be giving one away on my merch store. So definitely go check that out, shopemptyparadise.com. If you guys did like this video, go down, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, especially other ones with like the Honda Civic, or even this one right here with the Audi R8 LMS. I think this thing is just absolutely insane. I do have a bunch of other builds as well as Hot Wheel case unboxings, so definitely go check out all this stuff as well. But like I said, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.